Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Dan from Big Bucks Trading. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Bitcoin technical analysis and why I think that Bitcoin has not reached the top yet and there's still one more big push to the upside. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is how Bitcoin is following the past. So if you take this price from 2011 to 2013 on Bitcoin, you line it up right about there, you can see that it's reacting to these support and resistance levels the exact same. Draw that level right up there, catches some big resistance, and you see it come back down to this level right in there. Another level right in there. So I think that this thing is going to fully reach out to that top, which is about $70,000 to $80,000. That's my target. You can see how we have this big crash right in here, taking you down 50 to 55%. If you go back, right before the price in 2013 reached its top, you can see that I had this 50% crash right in there. So that's one reason why I think that it hasn't reached the top yet. Another thing is, if you draw this Fibonacci retracement right like that, you can see that Bitcoin went out to the full 4.236 extension, catching that precise resistance right up in there. If you draw your support and resistance just like you did in the past, you can see that it hasn't reached out to its top, which I think it's going to reach out to around 70 to 80. You can see it could wick up like it did in the past right up here. Okay, so another reason why I think that Bitcoin has not reached its top yet is because it has made this 5-wave structure on the charts. I'm going to draw it out for you guys right now. So in this 5 waves, you have 5 waves up, and then you get an ABC down. And then once the C leg comes in, you see it go past its previous high. It'll take out that 65,000. So you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 marks the top. And then what you have is an ABC correction. So you see it come back up to one of these resistance levels in your fib. And if you grab this, you got your A, B, C, and you have 5 waves in A and 5 waves in C. So if you draw that out, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes up, makes an A, B, C up, and then it goes and makes another 5 waves down. So let's draw that out real quick. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which takes out that 3 right there. And then you start working your way back up, and it ends up taking out this 5 wave up here. So I'm going to show you guys an example real quick. Okay, so here's the same structure I was showing you guys on Bitcoin before. You get 5 waves up, then your A, B, C down. So let me draw it out for you guys. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marks the top, and then you get an ABC correction down, A, B, C, and B usually comes up to your fib levels, came right up that general area, went a little bit higher. Then you have 5 waves down. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that marks the bottom right there. Then you can see it start working its way back up. If you go back to Bitcoin, you can see that wave 5 just came in. So I do think that this thing is going to start working its way back up and take out that previous high around 65K. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is that once you get near a top, you get this reversal pattern, and it's on your RSI indicator. And this is a bearish divergence. So it's when the RSI makes a lower high and the price makes a higher high, that it's a reversal indicator telling you that the uptrend is over. You get the same thing down here. You make that, let me clear this off real quick. You make that lower low on the price, and you make your higher low on your RSI right down in there. Make a nice little higher low, and then you can see the price reverse and end up going higher. So if you look at Bitcoin, if we take a look back at Bitcoin, and you see it gets near that top, makes that divergence, makes that bearish divergence, indicating that the uptrend is over. And you see price reverse. Now we get towards that bottom. Now we have our bullish divergence, indicating that the downtrend is over, and it's going to start marching its way back up. So those are 3 reasons why I think Bitcoin has not reached its top yet. We have a bullish divergence indicating that the downtrend is over and it's going to start marching its way back up. We have the 5-wave Elliott wave structure with your ABC correction, which indicates that it's going to take out that previous high of 65K. And it hasn't fully got out to that top of our fractal from the past. And it's still indicating one more big push to the upside to get to that 4.236 extension. So that's my 3 reasons why I think that it's not at its top. If you guys want more technical analysis videos like this, leave a comment down below and like this video, and we'll start to make more Forex, stock, and crypto analysis. Have a good one.